So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to sign out in the Disney Plus. So guys, if you want to sign out from your Disney Plus and you want to switch to the another account, so guys, it is very simple. So guys, first of all, you can go to your app library on your Fire Stick. Then you can find your app. So guys, here is our app. Okay, then you can see our app is start downloading. Open, and here we can see there is a lot of movies, and here you can press this button. After pressing this, you are in this section, and in this section you can go to the MySpace. In the MySpace, then you can go to the subscribe, then you can go to the help and setting, and here is the option for logout. Okay, so guys, you just press your center button from the remote and you can log out. Here, are you sure you want to log out? You will be asked to log in again to watch your favorite shows. Okay, then you can again press log out, and now you can log out from your Disney Hotstar. Okay, so guys, these are the very simple steps from log outing from your Disney Plus Hotstar. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.